Shibani, one of the finest performing pockets has been the internet space. Look at PolicyBazaar, it's screamed to about 2100 rupees. Strong move coming into Paytm, 4 digits. Zomato and Swiggy doing fabulously well, and many other unrelated spaces in the internet sector are buzzing with very strong rallies. How do you interpret valuations in these couple of stocks or sectors, or should we just keep the valuation book away and only focus on momentum?
No, absolutely not. Valuation fundamentals play a big role when we are looking at stocks, especially where some of the new age companies are concerned. So it's very important to keep an eye on fundamentals. Of course, each of these companies may operate in different segments, and to that extent, they would be different in terms of their business models. But to generalize, when we are looking at some of the new age companies, there are a few things that we are keeping in mind. One, of course, is the market segment in which they are operating in, and therefore the addressable market and the potential for growth. That is, of course, something that we evaluate. It is also important to understand the positioning of the particular company in that particular segment and its competitive strength and advantages, and also understand what is the entry barriers and how easy is it to scale up business in this space. So that's something that we need to keep an eye out on. The third and possibly a very important factor will be the path to profitability. What is the company generating in terms of actual EBITDA and actual profits? And therefore, what is the path to profitability? And hence, look at valuations with respect to actual reported profits. So, that's something that is extremely important. And the fourth factor is capital allocation. The ability of the company to be fair to minority shareholders and policies regarding capital allocation. These are some of the four factors that we clearly evaluate, and therefore look at valuations in context of these four factors before taking an investment decision where some of these new age companies are concerned. Now, as I pointed out, each of these companies operate in different segments, and therefore you need to evaluate them on their own merit. But generally, these are some of the factors that we keep in mind.